Ugh, damn, what a pain in the ass this thing is. The 12-year saga continues. Year 5, 6, 8, I don't know. Anyway, so I'm working on this little access cover that I've got here, and I used some hinges from the eyeglasses. So it's a fucking pain in the ass. You saw the pictures. Anyway, here it is. So I had to get this fucker lined up because I cut this thing as small as I could, close as I could with a razor blade. You know, it looks like this gap over here is a little bit wider than that. We can take and we can kind of shift this over just a wee bit to help get that gap. But I need this access for those fucking bolts, god damn it, in case I ever want to take that out. So I gotta at least make this one work. So there's true to scale. I'll have to get a little thing that holds it up, but there it is. That one works. I actually worked on the crane. Woohoo! It's a long fucking way off.